Here I have LG G7 feet, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then switch to general section, go to accessibility, then to vision, and then to TalkBack. So here you can enable it, and after that, like, TalkBack tutorial should start.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack.
So basically I'm gonna tell you it all really briefly.
Tap again to turn off.
So
Double tap to activate.
So this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on the screen. So for example, you tap on any button, banner, like article, just the title or something with a text, and this text gets spoken out loud. In case of buttons, it also tells you that this is like a certain button, and to activate it you have to double tap on it, just like this.
Close tutorial button. Double tap to activate.
So when it says double tap, it doesn't mean double tap on a button itself, but just like anywhere on the screen like this.
Close tutorial.
And that's how you can confirm it. Close, double tap.
Navigate
So if you want to disable TalkBack, tap on switch, double tap,
Navigate up button. On. TalkBack.
turn off.
Turn off. TalkBack.
And that's how you
off.
can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.